Hi viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel where we develop such videos that make it easier to work on the professional platform and software that you use in your organization. MS Teams is the tool that reached to its peak of popularity during pandemic, when it became the primary platform for all connection modes. It has chat, voice and video facility, and several associated features that help to streamline the day-to-day activities of a business. It can also schedule a meeting with a team member of an organization, and Outlook automatically creates team meetings for every meeting you schedule, and it also invites every participant. When the meeting planner sets up a meeting on a different platform, such as Zoom, Skype, Hangout, etc., this causes complete misunderstanding among everyone who is invited. Therefore, it is beneficial to turn off the default team meetings option to organize all upcoming activities in a flexible and efficient manner. Method 1. Disable the default Teams meeting option in Windows MS Outlook. Majority of us use Outlook in Windows, so we will check to disable the meeting option here first. Start the Outlook application and go to File option. It will open the Info section where you can go to Options category to change the settings of your account. In Outlook Options Wizard, go to Calendar section where all the settings are present. You can see that there is a feature to add online meetings to all meetings. Click Add Meeting Provider button. Uncheck the option Add Online Meeting to All Meetings and click OK button. Click OK button in Outlook Options Wizard to save the changes. Now, the